is the Speedy 25 Bandouliere. So Bandouliere. Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm going to do unboxing of my Louis Vuitton bag, the Speedy 25 Bandouliere. So let's start. So this is the box. It comes with a box guys. So it says here Louis Vuitton. And then when you open it, dun, 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 dun. So it comes also with a dust bag. So, yan. Dan, 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 dan. This is the Speedy 25 Bandouliere. So, Bandouliere guys, because it comes with a strap. So, you can use this as shoulder bag. And also, you can use it, if you put this one, guys, longer, you can use it as a crossbody bag as well. Other than that, guys, it comes with lock and key, 2 keys, gold colored hardware, and lock. So this is the ribbon guys, and the receipt is here. This is the lalagayan ng receipt. Ito yung receipt niya. I bought this one sa Auckland, Queen Street na Louis Vuitton guys in New Zealand. Yeah. And then also comes with this one like this. And also parang sticker lang siya. So, and yeah, and also this small card guys that you can use as if you want to put a message. Parang small card lang siya. That one. It comes with gold colored hardware. Ito guys. And I really like the bandouliere because it's versatile. Kasi I just don't want to use the bag as obviously as a handbag itself. Parang gano'n lang. Yung Speedy 25 lang kasi na hindi bandouliere. It's just like that. You're just gonna use it as a handbag. But if it's a bandouliere, guys, you have an option to use it as a shoulder bag. So I'm gonna put the strap, guys, ha. And I'm gonna show you as well, guys, kung how it looks like to me if I'm gonna wear it. I like it like this. Yung shoulder bag lang siya. But, as what I've said, you have an option to make it longer and use it as a crossbody. So, I'm not so keen of putting the lock keys, guys. And, actually, you can lock this one here. So, if you see these two, yan, you can lock this one. So, inside, guys, it comes with meron siyang pocket na zip pocket sa loob. Parang ganyan. So, before kasi ang old style nito is wala siyang zipper. But, the new style, meron siyang zipper na. Which is more secured. And it has, parang lagayan ng keys din here inside. Dito. Parang ganyan. So, this one, guys, doesn't have a date code because this is a new style. So, this is it. This is the Speedy 25 Bandouliere. So, I'm just gonna show you the mud shots, guys, ha. So, guys, this is what it looks like to me when worn. So, this is like the shoulder bag style. I just put some stuffing inside, guys. can also use this as a handbag. This is what it looks like to me when worn as just a handbag, or you can, you know, put this in your arm like that. So I put the second strap, guys, to make it longer, the strap. So you can use this one as, yeah, as a shoulder bag. A crossbody. So parang mababa siya sa akin, guys, but you can adjust it here. Yan, dito. Ma-adjust mo yan siya. So yan, guys, that's our vlog for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!